In this Texas Bar Practice how-to video, we'll walk through the manual installation process for the Texas Bar Books Toolbar. This toolbar only works on Windows devices. It is compatible with Microsoft Word 2013 and later versions, as well as Office 365. Let's get started. To install the toolbar, make sure your Microsoft Word app is closed. Open your browser and go to texasbarpractice.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Under Resources, look for Texas Bar Books Toolbar and click the link. From there, you'll be taken to the download page. Can't see the link? Enter texasbarpractice.com/toolbar in your browser to go directly to the download page. Click on How to install the TBB toolbar on your PC. Click the link that says Download the Toolbar Manual Installation. This will initiate a download onto your computer. Once the download completes, navigate to the Downloads folder on your computer and look for the Toolbar zip folder. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. This will unzip the zip file and create a folder. Open the newly created folder and then open the Word Templates folder within. In the Word Templates folder, select the TBB Forms file. It might also be named tbbforms.dotm. Do not double-click on the TBB Forms file. Just click once to select it. While the TBB Forms file is highlighted, right-click on your mouse and select Copy. Launch Microsoft Word. Click on the File tab on the top left. Select Options on the bottom left corner of the menu. This will open a window titled Word Options. Select the Advanced option from the left-hand column. Once you're in the Advanced window, scroll all the way down until you find the General section. It should be the second to last section. Navigate to the File Locations button and click on it. On the new window that appears, double-click the Startup File location. A Modify Location window will appear. Click Organize and then choose Paste. Please note you won't see any changes on the Modify Location window after you click Paste. This is normal and it is part of the process. Click OK. Close all your open windows. Close and relaunch Word. Now you'll see the TBB Forms tab on the top navigation bar. Download and open a form to see the TBB toolbar in action. The TBB toolbar is designed to streamline the forms editing process. Use the TBB toolbar to show, hide, or delete instructions. You can also use the toolbar to see the next instruction or next fillable section. The TBB toolbar gives you the option to print the instructions along with your form. You can also hide the instructions when printing. While the TBB toolbar is not currently available for Apple computers, Apple users can still download and manually edit forms on their computers. Make sure to follow us on social media to be the first to know of future updates regarding the TBB toolbar. Thanks for watching, and practice well.